Where you guys at? Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Good shit, bro. Look at these questions. Distraction.
Now everything's good in my hood and it's on and populates. Motherfucking people size. Street keeping up the real. On how to make it feel. Talk that shit. Motherfuckers caps get filled. Staying low in the cut. Niggas know what's up on that gangster. Except that's the yellow niggas G to a T. Singing and bailing. So I guess I'm not so when I die, niggas bury me. Make sure my shit breathes easy, motherfucking
Bitch, get in.
On that matters, and that's how a nigga feel. And I'm not the motherfucking real. Motherfucking real. Motherfucking real.
Oh, he's right there outside, that fucking faggot. He's running outside, he's right outside, he's right outside. Oh shit, another fucking crew. Get to the loadout, get to the loadout.
Damn. All of you guys running like roads.
Hey, what the fuck?
There we go, Lieutenant. Tell him.
Steve, fuck you. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, it's right there, it's right there. Fucking, you fucking kill. Look like a fucking rat standing in the corner, waiting for a piece of cheese to fall.
Peekaboo.
Nah. Oh, he's on that roof. Watch that roof. I'm gonna land on the roof. I'm landing right there, man. Where is it, G? You see it?
They're downstairs.
Where you at, bro? What's up? What's up? Oh my god, bro. He's right here. He's right here. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. I'm coming back for my loadout. Oh shit, bitch. Oh, he's on that roof, bro. Now he's gonna load out camp. He's gonna load out camp. I'm gonna land on top of him, get ready to shoot it. Oh, fuck, it's a whole squad.
How much kills, bro?
Fuck you, savage.
Yeah, in the hall.
Look at that.
Fire, bro.
Oh. Yeah, where you think we are, you bitch? And fuck you, sluts.
There
Fuck
we
that
go, there
little
we go.
bitch. Kill him then.
Behind you, bro, behind you. Oh,
Shit, that is a true. Funny. I want to put a bullet on that motherfucker, bro. Yeah, that's right, bitch.
he's over here. Behind you, bro.
Fucking rat, bro. Eat fucking asshole. Thank you. Fuck out of that spot. Yo, what's up, bro? You look like a fucking. I don't know. You look like a rental. Get out of there. Tired of people looking for easy kills.
Okay, bro, we got this.
Yeah, we got this. I want to win.
Exactly, we got this. In order for us to
Oh,
win, we got this,
that.
bro.
Oh, like a corner.
You guys give up. What's wrong with you, bro?
Push, 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 push.
Some good spot, bro. Right under
They're
here.
over here. They're over here.
Come on over here.
They're behind us.
Damn, bro.
They're behind
Wait
us,
for them.
bro. What the fuck? They're behind you, bro.
Watch out,
What are you
airstrike.
doing, Nick?
Alright, you go wait for them, bro. Oh yeah, here they come. Oh, he got me. Came under. Bro. What the fuck they doing?
Ah. This is a good spot. I'm fucking dead. There we go. Right there, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Go shoot him, bro, go shoot him, bro. Now you got this, run away.
Are you bring school or what?
Okay, bye.
Sergeant!
Hey, somebody's talking to you. Bye. Bye.
What about this?
Go to buy station, behind you,
You need to say bye, yes.
behind you. Yep. Run up, run up, run, run up. Up. You went a long way. Come on, you're gonna die.
Oh, in front of me.
Oh, they're all coming to you. I tried, bro.
Oh, you guys died.
You feel me, nigga? Oh, I ran out of gas.
Oh, I'm alive.
Hey, this guy's dying. Help him. He's coughing. He's really coughing.
Yeah. You got that in the phone, dude.
You got this, bro. What is that?
Oh, second place. Oh, shit.
Damn.
Fish.
I see their gold.
Let's go.
Daddy. I swear that. Daddy, don't press that. Daddy, I can open it. I can open it, Dad.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Look at son.
You have to do like that.
Ooh.
Just that you cannot press money. I have to know.
Where, boys? Marco.
Why not? Why not?
We land at the same spot. Warehouse.
Here.
Warehouse.
Where you now? Go with mommy.
Hey, come over here, guys. Man. The warehouse, and you guys covered the whole warehouse.
Right, bro.
Let them come back. Nigga, I need that place. Where you guys at?
Why not? Gone, look gone.
Let's go up.
We'll go outside.
Nah, they're up top.
He's down. Fuck this shit. Okay, I'm moving for you. Trying to come down. Hey, I need help.
Oh, there. Where?
Outside, upstairs. On the roof. On the roof, oh yeah.
Ooh. He's inside, he's coming to you.
Fuck! He was on the roof shooting down.
Bro, turn your Las Vegas down, bro. Oh my.
My gun on the chest. Guys, right here on top. Down the roof. Fighting.
On the bottom. Alright.
Oh. Very good.
Hey, that'd be fun.
Let's go get load out. Damn.
Oh.
Wait, you're standing over there.
Bro, they stay in the house.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
He's looking at you, bro. There's a sniper up there.
Hey, come on.
Don't push out there, bro. You got a sentry gun.
Hey, right there, bro. At the window. Watch out.
He's over there. He's standing over there.
Who's shooting at me? Right now.
Those guys over there.
He's still over there, bro. At the window. Fuck out of there. Need plates. Hey, right there, bro.
My gun is. I'm using a small dizzy right now, bro.
Man, my gun is trash. I know it, guys.
Oh. One down. Bro, I need plates. I need plates, yo. Oh! Out of fuck. Bro, he's coming, bro. Coming up now. To me.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Where is he? Go here. Hello. Nope. Ah, I'm too fast for you, homeboy. He's broken, he's on top.
Right outside.
Behind us, outside. He's outside. Good shit, I need plates.
Right here, bro. Oh, well. I know my plate. That's a lot.
Where you at? Buy something. Over here.
Where?
Buy all of us like some airstrike or something. Over here, drop
At
it.
where, bro?
The buy station. Come on. The buy station.
Gotcha.
Drop the cash. Who got the cash?
Over there with me. Over there, cash. Give me cash.
Drop it.
Hey, nigga.
Marcus.
Okay.
That's our storm. It's gonna come to us.
Hey, come on.
Here they come. Here they come. Get the outside, the outside. Thing on the roof. I was on single fire.
They're outside in the storm. Upstairs.
One down. Oh my god. What the fuck like people?
We're stuck. Here's
My nigga.
where mommy? Where you now?
My nigga got more kills than everybody. How the fuck you know how to fucking do? Man, you don't know how to drop cash, fool.
You can open it. Daddy, you can open it, right?
Like every time you say something, it's just repeating what we say.
What, Tuesday? Monday? I could have had the labs out of the way. You know? But it takes that long.
Well, now just go whenever you can.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
And how long are you going to be here for?
It's 9:30.
No. Okay. I was about to like, what?
Sure.
When's the battle? Bro, who bought that airstrike, bro? That was a weird ass location, bro. He was trying to kill you guys instead. He was trying to kill you guys instead.
Where are we landing?
Go to the tunnel. The bunker, I meant.
Oh, bunker. What the fuck?
was 3 of them.
You scared. Sounds like a kid. You know what I mean? Sound boy.
Watch out there behind you, bro.
My phone.
Where you at, bro? Come over here, bro.
Let me see. Yeah. On top of us. Oh shit, did you see you right here?
Go down there, go down there, go down there.
Don't be such a crybaby. Back on your feet.
You're upstairs.
Go in here, bro. We'll go this way. I don't know where this leads.
Your squad mates back on station.
Alright, let's move around. What they coming? They're over there at the bicycle. Ready, so we can push on them.
Call the fuck on me, motherfucker.
Albert, hurry up, Albert. Hurry up.
Yeah.
What is that? Drop the money. Funny guy.
Fuck you laughing at?
Nigga, wearing more, fool.
What?
Nigga, what did you buy, fool?
Hey, trying to hold spot, bro.
He's over here, over here. Good shit, good shit. Grab my stuff and strike him.
Yeah, what done? Yo.
They're in the warehouse. They're in the warehouse.
Oh,
shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
Yeah, boy.
Shoot him, shoot him. He's low, he's low. Yes, sir. Behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you.
So late, are you gonna score? That fuck always heal himself up, though. You getting that? You shouldn't say he healing himself up. Nah, that's not funny, though.
This nigga's still down there. Yeah, go grab a loadout. Oh, there's one right outside. See that shit? The other side, the other side. The other side. Welcome to the clan. Welcome to the turtle clan.
He's low. Alright.
Just keep running back and forth. Watch that door. Oh, he's at the door. He's sniping. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Go shoot him. He's sniping. He's sniping. Watch out. Watch behind us. Watch behind us. Watch behind us. Oh, how the fuck?
Oh, where that at?
He's right outside. He's
Help
right
us.
outside.
Nice.
White.
Oh. Good shit.
Communication.
The game. The game Roblox. Damn, bro. Hey, I cannot turn that. Gravity. What are you doing down? Try to. Yeah, I want to sit down.
Jolly Flock,
That little ugly ass. You a little ugly little motherfucker. You look funny. You look like every cartoon that came out. Oh, God.
Where we landed?
Why not?
Markham boy.
No. Let's go to kind 94 block. 94 block right there. Alright, and just cause you know where your mic, I'll follow you, bro. Good for you. Smart, smart. Don't be like this guy, bro.
Right?
I need a gun. I need a gun, I need a gun. Where?
Hey, in here. He's low. Oi, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? On top of us. On top. Go.
Bro, how you gonna tell us focus and turn up the music? Fuck, he's still going, bro. Over here, get ammo over here. We're down here.
fuck we doing in here, bro?
Don't worry, bro. Watch this.
I'm talking what?
Let's go up there.
Yeah, he's right, bro. He's inside. Where? Fuck is up there? Wow.
Ooh.
Relocate.
Relocate.
What the fuck?
There's one more guy in there.
Like, what? You're so bad that you have to use my gun?
Oh, go to sleep, kid. I gotta make you happy, you know? He's upstairs.
Bitch ass motherfucker.
Oh shit. He's down here, bro. Hey, you too.
Hey son, bring charger. Bring me a speed bottle. Give me a speed bottle. Speed bottle. Okay, it's okay. Never mind.
Alright, let's go. Oh, let's go that way. Let's go to the buy station. Hold it, Albert. Yo. Get him over there.
Pile loadout, please.
Oh,
Give
bro,
me your
where you
money,
at?
damn. What the fuck do you do, bro?
Over here.
You ain't got
Money.
shit. Give me your money, bro. Give me that shit.
I'm not shit, too. Hey, buy one strike and freaking the kind over there. And hold it. Buy me one. Buy me one strike, bro. Yes, sir. Thank you, bro.
They're here, they're here.
Over there.
Word.
Somebody just landed on top.
Oh.
Hey, buy a radar.
Oh, actually, I kind of was, but
Buy a radar. Yeah, I got it.
he's here. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Stay here, recruit,
Now
here.
where?
Stay together, bro.
Oh, yeah. Hey, right there.
He's broken. He's in there. He's broken. He's down there.
Watch out! People over there, man. Got him. Watch out, sniper! Kill streak, watch out!
Oh, I got fire. Hey, somebody heal me up. Heal me up, I'm safe, please. Bro. Help me.
Got to be fucking with me, bro. Buy me, bro. You got it, you got it.
Damn. GG's.
Hey, bro, sure. Help me. Yeah. Hey, I'm right here.
Pick him up, what the hell?
Bro. Oh, go.
They're fighting down there. Kill them, bro. Only 4.
That's why. Hold up.
Only 4. 2 teams. 2 teams. Top, top, top. Behind you, Tito. Top, yeah. It's on top of that building. Buy us with that buy station. Buy us or something. Buy us, bro.
Oh. Damn, nigga. So good, on me. He still outside the zone, bro.
Oh, he's hit. He's hit.
Close game.
He's downstairs.
This nigga is waiting for us. No.
What the fuck?
Oh, hey. Stop it. So.
Man, what the fuck?
Man. Good shit.
Second.
Wow. You know, he was waiting for 100 viewers, you know? the first 99 is nothing major.
Once this year, I had got ribs. I wasn't fucking with them motherfuckers.
Oh no, you heard that?
That's my fault.
Did Uncle?
Nah, he's not, bro.
Cannot see you. Cannot see you.
Did not see you? That's exactly what happened to me last match. I cannot see that fucker.
Don't worry, bro.
What you mean, bro? We never have win, bro. Fuck.
Bro, we had streak before you hopped on.
Oh my god, bro. And you cannot even beat my kills.
Bro.
No, it's alright. I'm just chilling with you guys. I ain't trying to have a win.
Wow.
I'm having a little rough day. A little bit rough day with case again, bro.
And
because what the hell is still playing music, bro? I just unmute him right now.
Bro, you and your chat then. But welcome back to live.
No, I just yo, bro, I need to talk to you to win, bro.
It's okay, we still forgive you.
Yes, cause you got that shut love, nigga.
Alright, UAV's out.
Can't use a pistol, you need an SMG.
No, I don't even see that motherfucker, bro.
Alright.
I'm tired during this shit.
Oh damn, they're all on top.
Damn, that's a lot of people, bro. Yeah, one. What?
Nice try. I'm back up, boy.
Wait, I'm in. No, bro. Seems like it's only one shot.
They're upstairs.
You know what? I'm getting the fuck out of the area you guys bring us to, bro. Yeah, the friend, yeah. I ain't seen none of that shit.
I love it, man. Cool exploit.
Yo, finish moving, bro. Go get some gills over there.
He's over there.
Fuck you, bitch.
Hey. You okay?
Hey, bro, he's on top of you, bro.
Say to my new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, hey, find a keto-friendly restaurant nearby and text it to that receipt. And it does. Now, in lifting your finger, so I'm putting more squats anywhere I can. 1, 2. Will that be cash or credit? Credit. Galaxy S25 Ultra.
All right.
Oh, bro, this fight faggot ass motherfuckers.
Here,
don't worry.
Where's that guy at? Hey, man.
Here you go. Get your ass back. Here you go.
Hey, one right here, bro. One, oh, they're all there, bro. The stupid ass team act like Squid Game, bro.
Cause you know why? You know why?
Like, I wanna switch my TV. I'm using a small ass TV, bro. I'm gonna use my 65. This stupid ass small shit is ain't shit. Alright, YouTube. YouTube, I'm gonna switch screen TV. I'm gonna try switch the TV. Go back to the one that I play.